What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Another parts install for the STI, obviously. That's why I have the hood open, and you already know why I have the hood open, because I finally got the parts that I ordered from WX Daily. And yeah, time to change up the engine bay a little more, or should I say add more to the engine bay. Overall, can't wait to show you guys how it looks at the end, because there's gonna be more coming. But for now, let me show you guys what I got. All right, so like in the last video, if you got a little tease, it is these COBB parts. Shit. All right, so 2 carbon fiber parts from COBB. If you watched my other video, I told you guys I want to do some more carbon fiber in the engine bay, and we are gonna do it today. Got them both from WX Daily, but you know, you can check anywhere, they have them everywhere. These are COBB parts, so you can even buy them from COBB. But they shipped really quick. As soon as I got them, they shipped, so they're finally here, and I'm gonna install them today. So yeah, if you remember the last video, we'll put these fender shrouds, and they look great under the engine bay, especially carbon fiber and the red. So now it's just, I gotta do this one, which is gonna be a quick one. So we got the COBB radiator cover, and then we got the COBB fuse box cover. So next I'm gonna change that to black, like I said, and then from there I'm not too sure what else I'm gonna change in the engine bay, but yeah, it's coming along really good. I mean, already it has the front mount and all that, looks good. But yeah, can't wait to show you guys how it looks on the car, and I can't wait to see it on the car. So let's just open them up and then put them on the car. I might ceramic coat it, but I don't think I'm gonna do it on this video. I already ceramic coated the fender shrouds, so yeah, it's gonna look sick. But let's freaking open those up and throw them on the car. Sheesh. COBB. This one should be their alternator cover. Yep, you can tell because it comes with Loctite and this little thing, clip, and it comes with another frame from COBB. So there's that one, and then there's, so this one is their alternator cover. Look at this bad boy. Kind of small compared to the parent, but I'm okay with that. This is their red line. Sheesh. Full carbon fiber, guys. Super lightweight. It's gonna look good. So we got that. This one. I like how they package them. Super protective. And this one is their fuse box cover. Also red line. So let's put this sticker on, which goes right here. I don't know why they didn't just throw it on in the first place, so I don't have to deal with this. This one's probably the easiest install you can do to your car engine bay. It's just a cover. Not sure how this is gonna work with taking it off and putting it back on, but we shall see. So let me bring over the fuse box cover real quick. It's gonna sit right there. It has the 2 tabs, holes, and then the other tabs are gonna go obviously down there. Perfect fit, my guys. Sick, perfect fit, man. So this was pretty easy. Just take off the double-sided tape I just put on there. I already cleaned this, so it's pretty well. And then you just push it together. Alright, well there's that. Damn, this is a really nice piece, well made. COBB should definitely do some more carbon. Definitely do some more carbon. If you watch this video, COBB, make some more carbon, especially for the engine bay. Damn, this is nice. I'm definitely gonna ceramic coat this, kind of protect it a little bit more. I know it has a UV protection and all that, and for the heat, but ceramic coating doesn't hurt, so clean. Now this one, a little different install. This one you actually have to, there's a bolt in the engine that you gotta take off. You gotta put this on there. This is Loctite. You use this for this thingy bobber right here. So here's the screw. Yeah, let's do that really quick. Put this back in the car. Okay, so these plastic little tab things, they go in the holes. Different sizes of holes, guys. So the big bolt goes on the left side. Okay. And the smaller bolt goes on the right side. Should just fit on through. Alright. You get this one and Loctite on that screw. Get this bolt on here. 14 socket. You don't want it over too tight, but it's not gonna go anywhere. There you go. This is gonna go on the right side. Alright guys, well it's been a couple days because I had to wait on this part right here because I lost the grommet that goes right here. I couldn't find it that day when I was trying to install this, so I had to order a new one. Fast WRX sent a new one right away. I could have just went to Subaru and ordered it, but you know, I didn't have that much time, so I just had to order it through online. But yeah, it is done. It's on the car now. I already ceramic coated both of the COBB carbon fibers and also the fender shrouds. So yeah, it looks good. Definitely a different change. The only thing I have problems with is the alternator because how dirty and ugly it looks. It looks pretty old. I mean, it's been on the car since 2015, so I mean, it's already, what, 8 years old. So I do want to order a new one, something shinier, something that looks good. It's gonna make the carbon fiber look good too, because yeah, that is pretty beat up. I found some online, not sure, they're pretty pricey, but they're really nice looking for an alternator. I mean, but yeah, I might order that. I don't know yet. We'll see if I want to go to the cash on that, but overall I do want to do that because yeah, I don't like the look of that. Engine bay is kind of dirty, so don't mind it. Still need to clean it, But yeah, overall ceramic coated all the carbon, so it's gonna look nice. And when I wash the car, it's gonna be easy to clean. That's the only reason why you want a ceramic. Well, also to protect it from any swirls and stuff. So, but yeah, that pretty much does it for this video, guys. Simple install, nothing too crazy, just kind of another engine bay mod. I got one more coming for the engine, and then I ordered a big part for the Subaru. Let's see when it comes in, and then I'll show you guys how that looks, because I think it's definitely gonna change the look of the car. Some people might not like it, but I'm definitely gonna like it. Overall, yeah, that completes this install video. Hope you guys enjoy this little install. Sorry I couldn't really record too much, but yeah, overall simple bolt-on thing. That one is just double-sided tape. This one is just one thing that you have to do right here. Just align this hole to this bolt that's back there to take off the old original bracket that goes right there, and then you install the new bracket. And then hopefully you still have, unlike me with the parent, because the parent one comes with the nut and screw, so that's all you need to use for that. But this one doesn't, so it's just used as a grommet thing. So I'll have to order a new one, and that one took a while to get here. So overall, though, it looks good. Definitely changed the engine up. I still want to order that parent, a black one, just so it can look good. I might, when I do the whole engine again, I might have them powder coat the manifold black. I know red is good, but I think I'm gonna do it black and just leave the piping red, if you get what I'm saying. But I don't know, we'll see later down the road. But yeah, overall, I do like the way this car is looking, especially in the engine bay. Definitely needs some attention. I already got the radiator, which looks good, and then all the cap set, and now all the carbon fiber. So yeah, looking good so far. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions about the car. I've been thinking about doing how much I have spent overall on this car, but I'm not too sure. Maybe, we'll see. But it's a lot of stuff. It doesn't look like a lot of stuff, but it is a lot of stuff, and it does add up. And I still haven't even done the engine block yet, which that would definitely add up more to the cost of overall ownership of this car. But don't get me wrong, I did not spend all this money on it. This car has went through different lips, different styles, 2 different wheels, and yeah, so, and 2 different wraps. So, but overall, looks good. Yeah, so I've been thinking about doing a video. We'll see. I might do it next week. We'll see. But yeah, just a heads up on what's coming. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video, guys, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.